Z-Stone is a natural stone cladding system available exclusively from LBS. These panels are designed in a Z-shape format, which allows one panel to fit seamlessly into the next, creating a stunning natural stone facade. Z-Stone is available in 3 different formats. The first format Z-Stone comes in is Traditional Z-Stone. Traditional Z-Stone comes in single-size panels of fixed dimensions and comes with both long and short corner pieces. In the corner pieces, the concrete at the back of the panel has a small section removed so that one corner piece can interlock into the other. Corner pieces can be used for both internal and external corners and fit seamlessly into place. The second format Z-Stone comes in is Universal Z-Stone. Universal Z-Stone consists of larger sized panels which come in various sizes. With Universal Z-Stone, each piece can be used as a corner piece. Finally, the third format Z-Stone comes in is Universal Sky Z-Stone. Universal Sky Z-Stone comes in exactly the same format as Universal Z-Stone, but it has built-in clips which can be secured to the wall via a fixing. Z-Stone is available in a range of different stones and colours. The most popular are Penrhyn Bangor Blue Slate from Wales, Black Slate, Quartz, Granite, Multi-Slate. Z-Stone cannot be stuck directly onto a painted or gypsum-coated surface, and in these cases, the wall has to be grinded back to a concrete block to support the weight of the product. The following tools are required with Z-Stone. Z-Stone is relatively simple to install and does not require a specialist stonemason. The first thing you need to do before applying Z-Stone is to clean the wall to ensure any rough debris is removed. Then measure the area. This is done by measuring the width of the wall by the height of the wall and adding 10% to allow for wastage and cutting. It is important to measure from the top of the wall to the bottom to ensure you finish with a full-size panel at the top. This commonly means cutting the first course of panel so that it is the desired height. Mark out the first course with a chalk perp line. Cut a wooden lath to mark the first course and ensure it is level. Once level, this lath can be nailed into the wall and you are ready to begin. You should hose down the wall, cut the first course of Z-Stone and mix the adhesive. It is important you use the adhesive recommended by LBS and allow one 18 kilogram bag for every 3 square meters of Z-Stone. It is important to start with the corners first and work your way along the wall. Adhesive should be generously applied to both the back of the panel and onto the wall, so as to ensure there is a minimum of 5 mm of adhesive on both surfaces. It is important to alternate the corners with different size panels to provide a seamless finish. The panel is then tapped onto the wall with a rubber mallet, and it is vital to ensure a good solid bonding. Work your way along the wall and remember to always alternate the different size panels to stagger the joints. Mechanical wall restraints should be used at heights above 3 meters to provide an extra secure fixing. In these situations, you can either use Universal Sky Z-Stone, which has clips already built into the system, and drill these panels onto the wall. Alternatively, LBS can supply separate L-shaped wall clips. With this system, a dowel is inserted into the panel both above and beneath it, and secured with a dab of adhesive. If there are any other sections to the wall, it is important to repeat the process, starting at the bottom corners and working your way along the wall. Remember to plan your wall in advance and work out how many corner pieces are required. It is important to be generous with adhesive and to ensure a good solid bonding between the back of the panel and the wall, always tapping it firmly into place with a mallet. Z-Stone is simple and fast to install and creates a beautiful stone wall in a fraction of the time of traditional stonemasonry.